Hello, viewers. Sincerely, I believe in the church. Yes, but I will advise church people, pastors, people at the pulpits to avoid anything that has to do with tribe. Avoid it so that your message will go well. Avoid discrimination so that your message will go well. What I'm about to say affects or is about my Igbo people. A certain pastor left the message he's supposed to preach the other day, and okay, he claims to be Igbo. I don't know. He was using Igbo people for our example. You need to watch this video and we'll come back to analyze it.
Do you know that beads are not something that is originally from the Igbo land? Hope you're aware. Bead is Benin. Are you aware? And even our red cap is not even our own culture. It's Benin too. Ndị Igbo present calm or down on this their ego or feeling like they are so superior to other races or tribes. They need to calm down. Because if the Igbo people calm down and check, most of the thing they have is borrowed. Do you even know that the word Ada is not an Igbo name? Now, I know there's a grace God has given to the Igbo man. An Igbo man is very great. An Igbo man is, exceptional in business. Whatever an Igbo man gets involved and loves it, he goes to the extreme. An Igbo man has this heart of accepting people. See, you can't meet an Igbo man and be stranded if you don't have a place to sleep. He will find a roof over you. He will find a way to make sure you have a place to rest. He might give you his parking stop to sleep, but he will make sure he will not leave you the way he sees you. He will find a way to make a place for you. That's an Igbo man. If you're hungry and you meet an Igbo man, you're really hungry, an Igbo man will find a way to make sure you eat. And I know there are other tribes like that, but that does not give us the right to always feel like we are better than every other race. Because now that some of us are claiming that we are better than every other race, people are now reminding us that some of the things we have are not ours. Why are we fighting for the superior race? Obodo Yadigo ka London, Igaga Abuja, if we go Lagos, if we go, in as much as it's still our Igbo brothers that are developing that place, but come to our place, how is it developed? I think one of the places we can boast in the southeast right now should be Abia State and Enugu as well. Abia is doing something.
Do you know why he took that video down? He received so much wotorwotor. That's the way he received it from people who are unifying Igbo. Let me tell you, the people who are unifying Igbo people now, they don't take nonsense. It is not like those days that you lied, the media is in your hands. No, today, thank God for social media and other media. Anything you say that is wrong, you'll be corrected at once. There are people who will trash it. And that was what happened. He got trashed, and now you need to see the next video where he's coming to retract his statement. And by the way, some Bini people have already flown with it on TikTok. They have been, as if the man said something that was correct. They never knew he doesn't have the right to say such.
And we have to be tackling them every day, letting them know everything that they took from us. Just like the way they stole the word from us, Odogu and Adigwe. But now, many people don't know now that it's an Ika word, and even Bini word as well. People don't know. People now think that is Igbo word. When we talk about Ada, now people now think that Ada is an Igbo word. So these are the things. They are gradually taking our culture, taking our words, and then they will not claim ownership of it. So we have to do something now. My people, I have to go back to sleep. Thank you very much.
But let's watch the video at which he decided to correct himself.
There was a teaching I made some weeks ago, and it's about the name Ada and about beads. And in that teaching, I said something important. I said that I said something that Ada, the word Ada is a borrowed word, and I discovered that I was wrong. So I went, after saying that, there was a lot of comments that were coming online, so I went to do more research. From the research I already did, I had to go depth of research. And in the process of that, I discovered that what I said was not in order. That the word Ada, A-D-A, actually originated from the Igbo people, not from the Benin. Right? And the beads are neither from the Igbos nor the Benin. Right? In as much as of when I was saying this, I was very certain of it. But when I went back to do more research, I discovered that I was wrong. And to my Igbo brothers and to my Benin brothers and to whoever this might have offended, I'm sorry. And that's why I had to come here actually to also say this to you guys. All right? I'm not afraid of saying that I'm sorry when I'm wrong. A man can fall 7 times, but the most important thing is to get back up. So, and for those of you that have shared the video of that error or running with that knowledge of that error, please, it's important to understand that I was wrong. I was wrong. The name Ada, A-D-A, not A-D-A-H, A-D-A, originates from the Igbo, not from the Benin. The beats is neither the Igbos nor the Benin. The Benin have their own beats. The Igbo people have their own beats. So this should be clarified. I've also spoken to our partners, and I've also told them, see, I was wrong here. I told my sons and daughters as well. I say, see, I'm wrong here. Told the workers I'm wrong here. So I'm telling you, as a church too, I was wrong in that particular teaching. I'm sorry for that. Sorry for that teaching, and I believe you guys are forgiving me. For some of the people out there, I know forgiveness might not come, but find it in a place in your heart to bring out forgiveness for me. It means a lot to me to bring this balance. I've already posted it online, but I needed to get the video out as well. And I want to talk to all the bloggers that were able to take my errors, that particular error, and fly it all around all platforms. I want you to also take this correction and fly it to all around the platforms, so that when we make a mistake, we should be able to own up to our mistake and bring correction to that mistake. All right, so God bless you guys.
Now, let's look at those things he said. The beads are debatable. But there are different types of beads. These people could use this type, these people could use this type, a modified form of bead. So there are different types of beads. That is debatable. You can't really say these were the first people or these were the first people. Now, concerning the red cap, right now, Igbos are known to use that red cap. Igbo people are known with this cap. Now, let's go to Akwa-Agu. Akwa-Agu, for example. The modern Akwa-Agu, but there is something about Agu. Now, Agu is not tiger. Because if you study Igbo history, you will realize there was no time we came in contact, even in this part of Africa, or probably Africa as a whole, probably, or in this part of Africa. We did not come into contact with tiger. We only come into contact with lion and the rest. You understand? Tiger, you mostly see tiger in cold regions, snow regions. Mostly. So when we're talking about Agu, we're talking about other cats. Then you hear Igbo say, Odum na-egbu Agu. In some case, Igbo call Odum lion. The lion kills Agu. So we have something that looks like still that black spot, that has that black spot, that our people, hunters in the past, killed, that are Agu, not tigers per se, but leopard. We came in contact with leopard and others, not tiger. But if you look at Agu nowadays, that is depicted in Akwa-Agu, it is lion mostly. Meanwhile, some reckon Agu as lion, but I think if you look at the old traditional hunter dresses, they kill the Agu, which is leopard mostly, and they use the skin to make clothes. It's common with Ndibo. But in recent time, Agu is depicted as lion, and you see those cloths, Akwa-Agu. For me, it's a kind of adoption. And for some people to come and tell you they own it, I don't know where they own it from. Just like they say the name Ada. Ada, Adobe, Adanna. That it is so common. Maybe they want us to begin to believe that Bini came from Igbo land. Maybe they picked it from Igbo land. Those who say it is Bini that has that and we borrowed or we stole from. Maybe Bini people came from Igbo land. They should start to go to Aguleri for festival, just like Urobo and Ishekri people go. Claiming Aguleri ancestry. Maybe Bini should start going as well. Aside that, Ada is an Igbo name. Ada is the daughter of the house. There are other Adas. Osota Ada, and other ones, but Ada is the daughter. I don't know why. Meanwhile, the pastor has apologized and we accept his apology. But people should not make mistakes again, whether at the pulpit or anywhere. And you know what pains me? He is Igbo, and these things, he did it to please. You know, it's common for Igbos to come out to do something at the expense of themselves, to please others. It's shameful. Meanwhile, we accept your apology. Next time, you be careful. If I were you, anything pulpit, I would distance it from ethnicity. You see them? They're already flying with it. Meanwhile, they don't know that the person has apologized, that it wasn't a slip of tongue. It was something he never knew. He did not really research. Because if you watch the following video, the video after the first one, he was saying he has researched and realized he made a mistake. Viewers, I leave you with this. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video widely. Bye-bye for now.